My name is Kazys. I work in the CAE mill. My occupation sounds like Mill Host Technician, where I am responsible for production quality and the production control in the mill. Also, I'm responsible for set up all the machinery, all the units in the mill the way we would like to, in terms of, again, production needs. And I'm going to show you a few things which I'm responsible for on a daily basis. So in front of you, you can see the main screen. We call it KPI screen, where we can see the way the mill perform at the minute, and if anything goes wrong, we actually can act immediately. So basically, that's our optimization screen, where we can pause, go over our solutions, and make sure that's the way we would like to see out of every single log. We trying to get as high yield as possible. And again, back to the big screen I just mentioned before, we have two big numbers. The first big number is predicted yield. The second big number is actual. And of course, we aim these two numbers to be as close as possible to each other. So, at the end of the day, we have a percentage which we call board recovery, and hopefully we will finish with 100% board recovery, but it's quite challenging. We can talk a bit about our edgers. That's where we edge our sideboards coming from the main line. And that is a good example here. We have a red line and optimizer. That means that particular board was slashed. And by pause the optimization, I can have a look on it why it was slashed. Was sewing, something wrong with the sewing, error or something else? And let's say if it's a setup issue or bandsaw issue, we can deal with that particular problem after. Also, we have a big screen over there which tells us which way the mill perform in different places, which actually invisible from this particular place. Yeah. I'm going to bring up example. At the bottom here is a graph how stacker perform. That's the place. Actually, that's the picture from over there, yeah. And we can see some from time to time. It's quite slow, but we wonder why. And this graph actually showed me why that's happened. Yeah, here's a gap. It was problem mechanical or electrical. It physically wasn't going, and these purple lines telling me that that's the slowest product they stack, where they deal with, yeah, 15mm boards. So that's what it is. And at the end of the day, we're just trying to do our best and just bring our performance to as high as possible.